this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Dragon Ball in English on Hulu so you can enjoy the series with English dubbing. Let's get started. To watch Dragon Ball in English, start by ensuring you have an active Hulu subscription. Open the Hulu app or visit hulu.com and log in to your account. Use the search bar to type Dragon Ball or browse the anime section to locate the series. Once you find it, click on the show and look for episodes labeled as English dubbed. Hulu provides both subtitled and dubbed versions of many anime. So select the English dub option for your preferred viewing experience. If Dragon Ball is not available on Hulu due to licensing changes, consider alternative platforms like Crunchyroll or Funimation, which also offer the series in English. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy watching Dragon Ball in English on Hulu.